So usually if you're using Windows XP and you try to use the internet, it's pretty hard to navigate because you can't really go to any websites. Sure, you can go to Google, but if you like type in something, then go into the web page, it cannot be displayed. So today I'm going to be showing you how to actually fix that and get it to work. So you want to type in mypal-browser.org. You don't want to search it up on Google because when you click on it, it glitches up. So you just want to type that in. I'll leave a link in the description. And this completely works. It's based on Pale Moon, and yeah, you can read this. And so you want to click download MyPal. Now this is not a virus, so 32-bit or 64-bit. It depends which version you're running. I'm running 32-bit, so I want to download that one. And yes, you want to click save, and you can save it pretty much anywhere. So it should show up where the install program should show up wherever you saved it. So you want to run it. Don't worry about this, just click run. And it will extract first, so this might take a while. Alright, it says, welcome to the MyPal setup. So next, you could choose which one you want. I'm just going to choose standard. Choose where you want it to be, and then it will install. And there you go, it's that easy. So you can now go to like pretty much any website you want. Now just note that these are the default search engines. Google isn't there. You probably will be able to add it, but yeah, you can pretty much go anywhere you like. So I can go to YouTube if I want to, and it will work. I mean, it might take a while to load up because it's Windows XP. I think it's gonna crash. There we go. So it's working. So yeah, it might be a bit laggy at first. You might want to increase the RAM. You can go to like any website you want. You have updated Google as well, which is pretty good, nice. So you can just search whatever you want. And I don't know why I'd want this, but you can get it. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is very simple. You can like show your friends about this. But yeah.